There is no student command, my sister, it's youth command. So we got rid of student command. It's only one structure, youth command. It organizes in the village, in the campuses, and in the townships. Student issues, youth issues, everything are now together. These kids have done so well. So I like Sihle as attitude and Naledi's attitude. So Sihle is out there as a face, he pushes the thing. Naledi does the actual work. And she's not in competition with Sihle. She allows him to do what he has to do, but she would have gone in to prepare what needs to be done first, and then let the convener do what he needs to do. But you sit in a meeting and you need to know what is happening with the youth command. Naledi will give you the minute detail of what is happening, because she's at the thick of things in building this organization. We have asked them, do not rush. Build a quality youth movement. But at the back of your mind, you must know we need you next year in 2026, because the youth vote is going to be very critical. The youth, especially for the EFF, the youth vote is going to be very critical. You finish this festive season, you have never given your old clothes to someone deserving. You must know you are greedy. You're the most useless human being. If you still have clothes that you were wearing at high school in your wardrobe, and when you were young, when there are so many people without clothes, you must know it's not only ANC a problem, you are a problem. If you are going to be having festivities and a meal, if you can't give them some food, invite them over so you can share a meal with the poor of the poorest. Let's make it easy this festive season for the poor. As they see other children shining and other children eating, their pain becomes even more. You lessen it by making them feel they are part of the future of South Africa. You have a problem with their parents, do not have problem with children. Never use children to fight battles. Always protect the children of South Africa. Let's make sure that these children are not subjected to trauma. Let's make sure that these children look to the future with a positive attitude, because their neighbor was good to them. I am what I am because my neighbor and neighbors were good to me. And in return, I'm good to them. Let's be good, because we don't know what those children of your neighbors are going to become. And when they become something else in future in society, they will remember you. Help those who cannot help you, and do not write their names down, because you must not remember them. When you remember them, it's because you want to enslave them. You want to make them your slaves and constantly remind them that you have once helped them. Do not do that. Let it be an enjoyable one, even in poverty, in suffering, in unemployment. There is a moment we need to pause and appreciate God for giving us life. Thank you very much. Thank you.